Hey, it's Tony, Dynamic Listings here at Wisconsin RV World, Madison. Today we've got the 21 Forest River Work Play 27 KB. So let's get started down the side. This one does have the optional Onan generator. That's a 5.5K generator and is an extra charge, but certainly worth having. Take a look at our water management system. So we've got a 98-gallon freshwater, 35-gallon gray water, and a 35-gallon black water reservoir. Now as we slide down the side, we've got our furnace ventilation, we've got our hot water heater. That's a 6.6-gallon hot water heater. Take a look at our axles, Dexter Axles, Nev-R-Adjust brakes with E-Z Lube, 15-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires. Take a look at our power service. We've got a 15-amp power service. We also, because it's a toy hauler, have a 30-gallon fuel station right here, so you can fuel up your toys, your motorcycles, or your quads. Hey, if you're getting value out of the video and you appreciate the work I do, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. Questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. So as a toy hauler, it's got this huge gate across the back, 8.5 feet wide, 12 feet high, and that's a easy lift gate, meaning you really can do it with one hand. And then notice this one does have the safety gates all the way around, so a nice patio. Down the passenger side, we've got a 20-foot power awning with LED lighting, a 30-inch wide door, exterior speakers, and then this really great retractable aluminum step, 3-step aluminum step with the adjustable legs. So should be able to get that one leveled out quite nicely. Love the graphics package and the color combination. I'm a big fan of blue, and this one really hits the spot for me. Overall length, 32 feet, 11 inches. Overall weight, gross vehicle weight, 11,000 pounds. Tongue weights coming in at 1198. And we've got 2 LP tanks, those are 30 gallons. Power lift standard, and your spare tire is actually mounted under the A-frame there. Super easy to get at. Now as we dive inside the kitchen area and the living area, notice we have ceiling to floor wooden cabinets. Really great pantry cabinets, plenty of room for your dried good and such. We have an AM/FM Bluetooth sound system. Check out the flooring on this one. There's one of the many D-rings. That's a 2,500 pound rated D-ring, rubberized floor, moisture resistant, 39-inch LED overhead TV, LED lighting. Here's your 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer combination, so plenty of room for your fresh and frozen goods. Should get you through the weekend or an extended vacation quite nicely. Take a look at our kitchen or galley area. So up top we've got a stainless steel microwave oven. Super nice for getting dinner ready or warming up breakfast quickly. We've got a 3-burner cooktop, that's LP, and oven below the cooktop. Also, we have the hood up top with the ventilation and the additional lighting. So definitely can prepare a full meal inside this bad boy. We've got a seamless edge countertop. Up top, we've got glass door inserts and more storage and more places to put your dried goods. And take a look at the countertop. I love these sink covers. They're almost like cutting boards, and this is a dual sink with that sprayer handle and the high-rise faucet, which is nice for cleaning pots and pans. Also, we have a nice window there for ventilation as well. Check out these drawers. So the roller bearings, but look at on the left and right how long those trays are. They really take advantage of all the space inside these RVs. So we also have dual Euro recliners. We've got a nice little coffee tray there that folds down and up. Tinted windows, cabinetry up above, overhead speakers. There's our AC unit, overhead ventilation. And then the 27 also has forced air furnace. We've got a queen-size electric bed with electric sofas. Notice how they come up and out of the way. So truly you can sleep 4 very comfortably in the backside of this unit. Here's your ladders, one for the deck and one for the roof. I'm just going to go ahead and walk out on the deck here. Notice how solid this is as I walk out and enjoy this beautiful day in Wisconsin. I love the safety rails on here. That's going to prevent you and the little ones from slipping off and hurting yourselves, but very, very nice. The garage area is 15 feet 9 inches long, and notice the floor and the D-rings continue all the way up to the front of the cabin. So as we dive into the master suite, we have a king-size bed that's 70 by 82 inch king-size bed with cabinets overhead. There's emergency exit windows in here, USB ports, 12-volt power ports. Here's your closets, one on the left and one on the right. And then some additional storage, of course, down underneath the bed here with another dining table. And it does come with a bedspread as well as standard equipment. Plenty of room to get around the bed. And then here on this wall, this is your backer board wall. So if you did want to install an additional television, this would be the wall to do it. Now there's dual entrances into the restrooms. So as we walk in from the master suite, notice the medicine cabinet. We've got our overhead vents. Look at the ceiling height on this. No problem getting well over 6 footers inside here. We've got a solid surface countertop, brushed nickel faucet, some storage down underneath. And then take a look at the shower. It's a full glass surround shower. And then overhead is a skylight to give you extra lighting and, of course, extra headroom. And then we have ceiling to floor linen cabinets. So one up on top here, and then the second one down here where you're going to be able to stow, of course, tons of linen. Also inside here, we've got locks on both doors. And then we have a high-rise porcelain foot flush toilet, which is awesome. 12-volt power outlets. Hey, if you like the video, if you're getting any value out of it, give me a thumbs up. If you like this unit, be sure to call Chad at Wisconsin RV World. He'll be able to answer all your questions and get you a good deal. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony at Dynamic Listings.